Finally, we arrive at the most anticipated stage, to sip. Take a slightly larger sip than usual and hold the wine in your mouth for 3 to 5 seconds. This allows you to explore the complex taste characteristics of the wine, like sweetness, fruitiness, saltiness, acidity, bitterness, and maybe even the alcohol level. Each sip is a journey of flavors and different sensations. So what do you taste? Start with the fruits. Do you detect citrus, cherry or stone fruits, tropical, floral, maybe even a little herbal? Or is it an older red wine with maybe some leather or some smoke? Chardonnay with some baking spices? Don't be concerned if what you taste does not match what you smell. Often those sensations can be a bit different. So if you're feeling like you're not sure how to detect all of these aromas or even to identify the ones that you do smell, no worries. This is all a part of the journey, and we're going to continue to cover the art and science of wine tasting throughout the series. As we practice, we learn. So now I'm going to continue on and say, let's take a moment and allow your senses to fully take in the sensations of the wine. Many times the first sip just cleanses your palate, so let's go ahead for a second, smaller sip. Let the wine sit in your mouth a moment before you swallow. Does the second sip taste any different? Is it getting easier to identify the flavors? Now that we've covered the 5 S's of wine tasting, again, they're sight, sniff, swirl, sip, and savor. So next time you pour yourself a glass of wine, remember these steps and see how they enhance your wine experience. Remember, wine tasting is not just about drinking, it's about appreciating. So enjoy the journey, not just the destination. And happy tasting. Thanks so much for joining me. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on social media at Food, Wine, and Flavor.